Hey, I just wanna do like a preview of this project I'm working on. So what I got so far is I'm gonna just like go through it like bit by bit. So what I'm trying to make is like a tablet that you would see at like at a restaurant. So for the restaurant that I picked, it's Applebee's. So I'm just gonna go through it. So user is like the parent class, right? Tablet. And then it has five children. Okay. So first one is customer at lobby waiting. So imagine you enter a restaurant and you're gonna see a tablet. This is like I saw this before. I'm not sure which restaurant it was, but like you go there's no server. You just see a tablet and all of this is just saying your name and your phone number and then it will text you to your phone number. I'm not gonna implement that. I don't know. I have no idea how to do that. But it's gonna text you to your phone number, hey, you're ready. Okay. So I'm planning to do a queue. So some things I'm gonna do, it's gonna put info such as name and number, customer number. I'm not sure what that means to be honest. I'm not sure what I meant by that. When user adds to queue, say an estimate time, wait, so 45 minutes. Check the tables database when made. So what I mean by that was like, okay, so check, hey, are there tables ready? Okay, or if they're not, okay, check the queue, check how many people are in front. Okay, try to make an estimated time from that. So, like, what I was thinking was, uh, I searched it up. It was like it's like a family of four takes around like 45 minutes to eat at like a restaurant. So I'm gonna do probably some math with that. I'm gonna try to figure out what I could do with that. So the next one is going to be customer at table. So like when you're like at a restaurant, you got like that tablet like on your table, and you can like let's see, you can order food, leave feedback, and then pay. It's gonna call. Uh, yeah, it's okay. So it's gonna go look at the database, look at the name and number. By the way, the database is gonna be a text file. I haven't figured out like SQLite yet, so I'm gonna just do data like text files for now. So yeah, so it's gonna look at the text file and then see what's up, and then boom, order it. Okay, so waiter. Or I could put it to the table and then it could call the table. It could check out the table class. Yeah, well, maybe I'll probably do that instead. I should probably put that here. Calls table. Oh no, actually checks table. Yeah. Okay. So next one is uh the waiter. So the waiter also has a tablet. They don't have what do you call it? A notebook anymore. They have a tablet. And in here, they're going to take order, handle table bookings. That's pretty much it. And then over here, though, the take order is going to like check out the text file, or you'll see later. But like it's going to go, and then the chef is going to check out the view orders. And then whatever the waiter did, it's going to go to there. So it's going to update order status and order new items. That's what the chef's tablet's going to do. See, he's like cooking right now. But then the order new items mean like say we're out of bread or something like that. So it's gonna order new items. And who's that gonna go to? The admin. Admin right here. Admin right here is gonna yeah, he's gonna manage the menu, review reports, and oversee the system. That's what the admin's gonna do. Or the manager. I can slash manager. No. Be both. Uh, yeah. Manager. Admin slash manager. So and then let's go check the other one. So table, well, I was thinking, right? So it's gonna look like something like this. Right, I'm probably gonna do like a view table and terminal will look like this, like one, three, four. It's probably gonna be like a 2D array because assume the Applebee's looks like a 2D array, so table, 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 table. Right, so this means that there's one person, there's three, there's four, and there's 27 on this table, right? And then if it doesn't have a number, it's gonna say NC or C, meaning like I should probably put it so I know in case I forget. NC means not clean, and then C means should cleaned, meaning that you could go to this table. Uh, he should no, not waiter should probably uh activate wait clean update table after clean after it's clean. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna just put that, and then yeah, that's what the table does, and then item, so like meaning like a like a burger, like a pasta or something like that. So then it's gonna be part of the menu using man, I forgot the term, but it's gonna be in the menu class. Item class is gonna be in the menu class. Also gonna be in the order class because that's an order that the yeah they can either order food through the thing that's gonna be part of the order class, or the waiter is gonna order it themselves. So yeah, so inventory that's probably gonna be part of the table class too. When I think about it. See, I'm just like this is like on just think about a lot of stuff right now. Like what? Well, not item, but like order. So order is gonna be on the table as well. And then inventory. So meaning like, okay, how much bread do we got? Do we got enough bread for this? You know what I mean? So that's pretty much it what I got for now. What I've been working on is customer at lobby waiting. So let me just pull up the user.h right now. So user.h, all it is right now is so I just put these is for like just see outing and stuff. That's pretty much it. Just that for now. Let me pull up terminal. I'll do it later. But like this is just like so I can like color the font and stuff. That's pretty much it. And then IO stream, I don't know why I'm even calling that out, but class user. So this can be a pure virtual class. I was thinking of like what could be some variables, but for now I got title, ID, first name, last name, and phone number. So where the yeah, this for this one, okay, you don't really need where is it? You don't really need the title. I mean, I put on. Okay. I forgot where it was. But title, ID, first name, last name, phone number. Or the okay, title, what I was thinking was so this is a title like customer at lobby waiting, customer at table, waiter, chef, and admin manager. That's like a title. So that's important. Oh, sure, I just gave a sneak peek. So title, ID, first name, last name, phone number. For customer at lobby waiting, I thought, okay, phone number, okay, that's and first name. Title, ID, last name, I'm not sure if you really need any of that, to be honest. So yeah. And then, just constructor, default constructor. Let me put it here. Not there, here. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go through it. So, default constructor just initializes everything. This one has like all the parameters, just normal stuff, and just a virtual deconstructor does nothing. But this one is gonna be a pure virtual function. It's just a getter. That's pretty much it. And then this is also a pure virtual. It's a run, so like main will look nice. So instead of like having like all that in main, it'll just be in this one function for each one. So I can just say dot run. And then so yeah, customer at lobby. This is what I've been working on so far. Like the hardest not it's just the one that I've been working on. So customer info is just a struct. Oh, okay, I'll get into this one later. But it has all of these includes. And yeah, I've been using ncurses. Ncurses is pretty cool. It like allows like active input for for the program. That's pretty cool. But anyways, customer info, default constructor just initializes all these. and then just a constructor with parameters, which is nicer. And then first function is called add to queue. So this was my thinking for add to queue. So later on, I'm gonna try to test what will happen if two executables try to run it at the same time. So what I tried to do was spin lock. So let's say this executable and this terminal and this terminal looks at a text file, right? I'll just call it DB. Let's say this one looks at it and then it gets it back, right? This one looks at it and this one gets it back. Let's say this terminal got some new info, right? And then it updates DB, right? But then this one got also like new info. It overwrites whatever this one did, right? So this new info gone. So whoever just put in their name in the queue is probably gone now. But these two people are happy because they're still on it. So what I wanted to do was a spin lock. So let's say lock right now. So it's unlocked right now, right? So he wants this terminal wants to open it. So then I lock it, right? So it's gonna read all in from the DB, but like let's say this terminal wants to do it. Oh, it's locked. So it's gonna wait until this DB gets it. And then he gets it, and then boom, it's unlocked right now. Let's say it's unlocked. This terminal sees that it's unlocked, so now it can read in. Okay, good. So now, again, let's say this terminal got some new info. Wait, this terminal got some new info. It requests to see if it's locked. It's not, so now it's locked because this terminal is reading in. And then it puts in the new info. Wait, what's the problem? Yeah, it puts in the new info and then goes back. But this one, it'll read it in once it's done reading. So there won't be like an overlapping condition. So it will wait until this terminal is done, and then it will go get information, get the new queue from the database, and then overwrite it. Yeah, it'll get the new queue, overwrite it, and then unlock. And then once it's done, the other terminal can read in the new queue, update it, and overwrite it without any other terminal. If there are more terminals, read it in. So that's what I'm trying to do. So the add to queue, where is it? Yeah, okay. Add to queue, right? So this is the spin lock. I was thinking it uses file system. I'm trying to learn that too. So it basically says, okay, if this is what I call a spin lock, customer lobby queue. That's like that's the text file where all the queues are, and then SL, which is spin lock. It sees if this file exists. If the file exists, that means another terminal is looking at it right now, doing its stuff. While while that's true, it's just gonna keep waiting. It's gonna be in this while loop. Once it's false, okay, now it will. I made an OF stream saying, okay, make a spin lock, and then just close it immediately because we're not gonna like like what do you call it? Put anything in that file. It's just there, just to let other terminals know. By the way, I'm doing something with it right now. Then it will open the customer at lobby queue, right? And then it will do what it needs to do. So first it sees if it's empty. If it's not, keep popping until it's empty. Then let's say, did we even open it? Okay, then if we didn't even find it, assume the queue is empty. Okay. And then we reread it. So we get all the stuff from if it is open, we reread it, we put in the queue, then we'll call decrypt so no one outside can see what's up, and then push it onto the queue. Afterwards, we push in the new customer that we just got, and then finally I'm pretty sure this is a shallow copy. It shallow copies. I really hope this is good. I might have to deep copy it, but it will do a shallow copy. Then it's gonna replace. Hmm, hmm. Just in case, let me close it. I think after here, OpenDB close. It's going to close it, and then it's going to shallow copy all the contents of the queue into the copy, and then it's going to reopen it, empty everything, and then basically put it back in, encrypt it, and then put it back in. My bad. First, first you encrypt it, and then you put it back in, and then pop it, and then remove the spin lock. That's my idea of implementing how a spin lock basically. Same thing in refresh. It's just going to refresh the queue with a new one. So this is where we get into the constructor. So constructor is basically same thing. It should not assume that it's open. So first it checks, hey, is there a spin lock open? Okay, if it's not, basically same thing in the add to queue, but without adding anything. Of run, this is where I'm trying to test the the active input. Still working on it. Still trying to figure out end curses, but end curses doesn't seem that bad. Next one, get title privilege. It's just return title. That's pretty much it. I'm not gonna do it actually. I was gonna do like without brackets, but it's fine. Lastly, customer at lobby deconstructor. Again, it checks, hey, is there a spin lock right now? Okay, if there's not. Okay, we're good. So first, make the spin lock, close it, because what's the point of not closing it? Then it replaces Q. Oh, okay. I have an OF stream called replace Q that basically wipes it again, puts in the new stuff from this queue, encrypts it, and then file stream, remove spin lock, boom, done. That's so far what I got. I still need to finish the void run, and then once that's done, it should be chilling. Oh yeah, let me show the ASM file. So it's not even like good encryption. If you see the source code, you can probably like figure out immediately. But all it does is just like let's say like a character was like 0110, like the encryption will just do what does it do? But it will roar it by 4, so it's just gonna be oh wait, if it was like 0110 then 1100, then it's just gonna be if it was 4, what's it gonna be? 11000110. So it's gonna be like a whole different like char. And then just to decrypt it, you just uh move the bytes to the left 4 times, and that's pretty much it. That's all it does. Uh, yeah, that's all this does. And I had to say the extern stuff because you got to say like, hey, this is not like a C++ function. This is like a assembly function. That's pretty much it. That's all I got so far. Let me just run it actually. So CMake, and then AppleBee's. So this this is what I got right now. It'll just like every time I press space, here, like, every time I press space, like it will just like see out welcome to Applebee's, and it also won't like you. I gotta do it like this, but like I'm pressing P, I'm pressing K. It's not gonna like see out that P and K. It won't echo to the terminal because of pretty sure this one right here. Was it? Yeah, no echo. What? For now. I don't know why I said that for a second, but like yeah, no echo, and then yeah, this is like in just to like end the no echo stuff because I didn't know this was the thing. And then when I didn't have, actually, I'll just show if it does work. So like after it's done, oh, now it types, but before it won't echo the screen. So yeah, okay. So that's all I got so far. I'm gonna keep working on the run. And then afterwards, it's gonna be hopefully the spin lock made sense. I don't think it made sense, but next I'm gonna work at customer at table. And then yeah, that's pretty much it for now.